Hello kids, today we are going to solve the exercise. Lesson number 10, means of communication lessons exercise we are going to solve. Exercise question 1, fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Here in bracket answers given, these are called the options. Before going to fill this one, we should read the lesson. Are you reading lesson now? Then read the statements, sentences correctly, then fill in this one. Okay. So A, communication is the process of dash dash and sending messages. Communication is the process of dash dash and sending messages. Facsimile, receiving, pigeons, postal index and number. What is the answer here? Communication is the process of receiving and sending. Right here, receiving and sending messages. B, trained dash dash also delivered letters across long distances. Trained dash also delivered letters across the long distances. Facsimile, this over, pigeons, postal index number. Who deliver the letters across the long distance? Trained pigeons. Right here, trained pigeons. Trained pigeons also deliver the letters across the long distances. C, a machine that sends messages and pictures through a telephone line is called a dash. A machine that sends messages and pictures through a telephone line is called the facsimile. Facsimile or postal index number. Facsimile. Answer is facsimile. Right here, facsimile. Now D, the pin of geographical area is its dash dash. PIN of geographical area is its P means postal, I means index, N means number. Right here, postal index number. Okay. Now we'll see question 2. Tick the correct statements and make a cross for the incorrect one. Tick the correct and cross for incorrect sentence. A, parcels cannot be sent by post. Parcels cannot be sent by post. Wrong. Right here, cross. Parcels also sent by post. B, email is faster than the postal service. Yes, email is faster than the postal service, so make a tick. C, artificial satellites help us to view television programs from all over the world. Artificial satellites help us to view television programs from all over the world. Yes, it is correct. Make a tick. D, the television programs are of no educational value to children. The television programs are of no educational value to children? Wrong. It's a wrong. Television programs are of no educational value to children? No. We will get also educational values from televisions too. The television was invented by Thomas Edison. Telephone. The telephone was invented by Thomas Edison. It is correct or wrong? If you want to confirm, turn the page and confirm here. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell, not a Thomas Edison. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So, this statement true or false? It is a false. So, mark here cross. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell, not by this one Thomas Edison. Now, question 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Before going to answer, you read the lesson. Then you find out the answer. A. Question A. How did man communicate before he was able to communicate through verbal languages? How did man communicate before he was able to communicate through verbal languages? Turn the page. See here. Early man communicate by making a different sounds like a hooting calls, bird sounds. Again what? Through a signs. In those days, sending a message across the distances was difficult. While verbal communication was not possible, man communicated by making a sound like a hooting calls or bird sounds through a signs. He made a use of fire, smoke, beating of drums, and even a beam of light reflected on a mirror to send a messages across a distances. Understood? Now turn the page. B. Question B. What is the speed post facility? What is the speed post facility? Look in this page. What is the speed post facility? The speed post facility is in post office. Where it is there? Speed post is a facility in post office by which we can ensure that urgent letters or parcels reach their destinations in a very short time. Speed post. Once these letters reach to the respective destination, they are delivered by a postman. These are in post office, which ensure that urgent letters, parcels reach their destinations in a very short time. Understood? What is the speed post? Understood, my kids? Now, next question. C. What are artificial satellites? What are artificial satellite? Pause the video 2 minutes and see. Find out the artificial satellite. Got answer? Artificial satellites are Artificial satellites are, you got answer or no? Look here, artificial satellites are man-made objects sent into space to send and receive a signals from one part of the world and then transmit them to another part of the world. Artificial satellites are man-made objects sent into space to send and receive a signals from one part of the world to send them another part of the world. Okay, now next question. Question D. What role do television programs play in improving the awareness and literacy in rural areas? The role of television programs play in improving the awareness and literacy in rural areas. The television and radio have great help in creating more and more literacy and awareness in rural areas in our country. Farmers are able to train themselves in the correct use of pesticides, fertilizers by way of informative TV programs. Warning from TV on weather, natural disasters help people to be prepared for an oncoming calamity. Understood? Now, last question. How would fishermen benefit from the information given by the meteorological department? How would fishermen benefit from the information given by the meteorological department? Weather forecasts. Answer. Pause the video 2 minutes and try to find out the answer, kids. Answer is weather forecasts and the cyclone warning given by the meteorological department are circulated through TV and radio. By this, fishermen can avoid unexpected calamities and the loss of life. Okay? By TV and radio, fishermen can avoid unexpected calamities and the loss of life. Okay, kids? So now here our question answers also over. You read the lesson, learn the all new words, then solve the exercise first in textbook, then all this one fill in the blanks, tick the correct, cross for the wrong one, copy down in your notebook, then write down all answers, question answers in your notebook. Understood? Thank you for watching the video.